The crane's dance, elegance and survival. Unveiling the beauty, bond, and challenges of cranes.
By AI for Kids. Cranes are more than just birds, they are symbols of grace, strength, and harmony in the natural world. This compilation invites you to delve into the fascinating lives of these enigmatic creatures, exploring their habitats, behaviors, and the conservation efforts vital for their survival. Discover the profound truths cranes teach about love, family, and ecological balance. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Grace of the wetlands.
In the serene expanses where water meets land, the crane stands tall, its long neck arching elegantly in the morning mist. These magnificent birds call wetlands and marshes home, stretching across continents from Europe to Asia. Here, the crane finds safety and sustenance, thriving in vast open spaces where water and land intermingle. With a wingspan as grand as the sky, they glide gracefully over their territory, a vision of nature's choreography. The dawn chorus is their symphony, a natural masterpiece interwoven with the soft ripple of water and the whisper of reeds.
Picture the dawn breaking over a tranquil wetland, with cranes gently waking to the soft rhythm of nature. Their calls echo, part of the habitat's waking melody. How precious is the sanctuary? Each reed, each ripple, tells a story of life and survival.
Dance of devotion.
Witness the enchanting dance of cranes, a spectacle illustrating both elegance and emotion. In open fields, cranes engage in a courtship ritual that is both artful and affectionate, a magnificent blend of leaps, bows, and spread wings. These intricate displays are more than mere attraction, they are the whispers of bonds being crafted and friendships being deepened. Each movement, precise and deliberate, strengthens lifelong partnerships. Here, amidst nature's stage, we find a profound lesson in love and loyalty, mirrored in every coordinated step.
Experience the courtship dance of cranes, weaving a tapestry of love in elegant motion. Their dance narrates tales of commitment and unity. What secrets lie in this dance? It's a ballet of emotion, timeless and transcendent.
Voyage of the sky.
Cranes embody the spirit of migration, undertaking epic journeys across continents. These aviators traverse immense distances, from breeding havens to winter retreats. Their flight is a testament to endurance and instinct, guided by ancient pathways etched in the skies. As they fly, synchronized flapping forms elegant V formations, a perfect blend of beauty and aerodynamics. Migrating in large flocks, cranes share companionship amidst the open heavens, their silhouettes a moving poem against radiant sunsets. Their persistence inspires, each journey a saga of resilience and connection.
Join the cranes on their remarkable migration, an odyssey across lands and seasons, a tribute to nature's wisdom and the persistence of life. How vast and wondrous must the world seem from above. Each journey is a tale of courage and community.
Guardians of the ecosystem.
In the balance of nature, cranes serve as both predator and steward. They roam the land with keen eyes, curbing insect populations that might otherwise rise unchecked. Yet, they offer more than just their predatory prowess. Through their meandering paths, cranes disperse seeds, enriching biodiversity with each step. As they stride across wetlands, they maintain the equilibrium, each action a small, yet significant, contribution to their habitat. The presence of cranes signals a healthy ecosystem, where every creature plays a part in the story of life.
Observe how cranes contribute to their environment, an essential cog in the ecosystem's wheel, balancing roles of predator and provider. What tales of balance and interdependence does nature reveal? The crane dances at its heart.
A world of color and harmony.
The crane captivates with its striking appearance. With plumage that ranges from soft whites to shades of gray, accented by vibrant red markings, these birds are a feast for the eyes. Their long legs and necks are the epitome of elegance, transforming their every move into a graceful display. As they gather by water's edge, each bird is a portrait of natural beauty. These physical traits, beyond mere aesthetics, serve crucial survival functions from camouflage among reeds to enhanced foraging abilities. Each aspect of their form speaks volumes of adaptation and artistry.
Immerse in the visual splendor of cranes, where every feature tells a tale of evolution and artistry, painted by the brush of nature. How fascinating it is to embody both form and function. Grace is the essence of the crane.
The art of foraging.
Cranes, ever resourceful, traverse shallow waters and open fields in search of nourishment. Their diet is diverse, a testament to their adaptability. Omnivorous by nature, cranes consume small animals, insects, seeds, and roots, each meal a symphony of tastes and textures. Foraging is a practiced art, guided by sharp sight and elegant poise. As they tiptoe through their domain, cranes embody the balance between the abundance offered by nature and the diligence required to harness it. Each successful forage is a celebration of patience and precision.
Accompany cranes on their foraging journey, a dance of sustenance in the rhythm of the natural world, where patience yields treasure. In every grain and creature lies the essence of life. The crane learns through experience and instinct.
Whispers of continuity.
Cranes symbolize fidelity and continuity, often pairing for life. Their courtship is a dance of devotion, while their parenting is a testament to dedication. Nests near water, made of reeds and vegetation, cradle 1 to 3 eggs, promising new life. With tender care, both parents share in the duty of incubation, a reflection of shared responsibility. As the young hatchlings emerge, the crane's legacy continues, a cycle honored with unwavering commitment. In their familial bonds, cranes mirror the enduring harmony between life's rituals and nature's cycles.
Delve into the world of crane reproduction, where life cycles are intricately woven into the fabric of nature's design. In Cradle of Reeds, new life begins. The dance of creation and care continues seamlessly.
Echoes of conservation.
Cranes, majestic guardians of wetlands, face the shadow of uncertainty. Many species hover near vulnerability, threatened by habitat loss and human encroachment. Conservation efforts echo with urgency, fostering hope through habitat preservation and protective laws. These initiatives strive to safeguard the sanctuaries where cranes dance and thrive. With each rescued habitat, humanity takes a step towards healing, recognizing cranes not only as symbols of elegance but as ambassadors of ecological harmony. In preserving cranes, we preserve the rich tapestry of life they represent.
Reflect on the challenges facing cranes and the vital efforts to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. Conservation embodies hope for future generations. Every sanctuary saved echoes our commitment to life's diversity. In the crane, we find a symbol of resilience and hope,